Welcome to Knowledge Hub Factory, where curiosity meets knowledge and every question finds its answer. Today's journey takes us deep into the mysteries of our planet as we explore a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Why is seawater salty and river water sweet? Let's dive into the world of science, history, and nature and discover the secrets hidden in every drop of water. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are going to uncover an incredible mystery. Do you know why seawater is salty while river water tastes sweet? Let's travel back millions of years. When Earth's water bodies first formed, the water was almost pure. Rainfall was intense. Rivers began to carve their paths. And as this water moved over rocks, mountains, and soil, it absorbed various minerals and salts. Rivers, being dynamic and fast-flowing, do not allow much salt accumulation. The salts they collect remain diluted, which is why river water generally tastes fresh and sweet. However, rivers ultimately flow into the seas and oceans. When they do, they carry not only fresh water, but also minerals and salts. In the ocean, due to intense heat from the sun, a large amount of water evaporates, but salts and minerals are left behind. Over millions of years, these salts accumulated, making the seawater salty. River water is constantly moving and replenished by rain, whereas the water in seas and oceans remains mostly stagnant, allowing salt concentrations to build up. Interestingly, the primary salt found in seawater is sodium chloride, the same common salt we use daily. But seawater also contains magnesium, calcium, potassium, sulfates, and other minerals. On average, about 3.5% of seawater consists of dissolved salts. To give you a perspective, if we were to extract all the salt from the oceans, we could cover the entire surface of the Earth with a layer of salt 500 feet thick. Now, are all seas equally salty? No. Different seas have varying salinity levels. For example, the Dead Sea is one of the saltiest water bodies on Earth. Its salt concentration is so high that floating on its surface becomes effortless. In contrast, seas that receive heavy river inflow, like the Baltic Sea, have lower salinity levels. Fresh water from rivers dilutes the seawater, reducing its saltiness. It's important to know that about 97% of Earth's water is salty, and only 3% is fresh water. Of that 3%, almost 70% is locked in glaciers and ice caps. Sometimes, even river water can become slightly salty, especially where rivers meet the sea, in regions known as estuaries, or where underground salt deposits dissolve into river water. The natural process behind all of this is the water cycle. When water from the oceans evaporates under the sun's heat, only pure water turns into vapor, leaving salts behind. This vapor forms clouds, and when it rains, fresh water returns to Earth, feeding rivers and lakes. This endless, beautiful cycle has been going on for millions of years, maintaining the saltiness of oceans and the freshness of rivers. Another fascinating point: rainwater is initially pure when it evaporates. But as it travels through the atmosphere, it can collect dust, pollutants, and other particles, slightly altering its purity before reaching the ground. Oceans and rivers are essential to life on Earth. Oceans regulate the planet's temperature, influence climate patterns, and are home to a vast diversity of life. Rivers bring fresh water, support agriculture, and are vital for countless ecosystems and human civilizations. In short, every drop of water tells a story. A story of Earth's past, a story of survival, and a story of the delicate balance that sustains life. If you enjoyed today's exploration into the wonders of our planet, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Knowledge Hub Factory, and share this video with friends who love to learn new things. Comment below and tell us, which mystery should we unlock for you next? Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring with Knowledge Hub Factory. See you in the next video. Goodbye, my viewers.